So which app store do you use in Huawei store?
I use sometimes I use Huawei App Store. Sometimes I use 360 App Store.
360.
Actually, I don't care about it.
No?
Yes.
都是那个官方的应用商店。
华为市场是这样是？
对，华为应用市场。
华为应用市场。
Before Huawei, did you use another app store?
苹果。
苹果。
对。
Okay, Apple. Okay. And which one do you like the most?
更喜欢哪一个吗？
对对。
华为吧。
Huawei. Okay, cool.
No, we use App Store.
就是用的它那个华为的自带的应用商店。
And it's the same for you?
我也是自带的。
Okay. Did you use a different phone before? Like Apple or Oppo or I don't know. Apple. Okay.
我之前一直都是华为。哦，你一直用华为对吧
？Do you like more Huawei or Apple Store?
A few minutes later.
我还是喜欢用华为的，因为会很方便。
Okay.
方便一点。
没用过别的，就用过华为。
Yeah, it's true. It's true.
是应用商店，现在是 App Store。
对，更喜欢现在的苹果。
Okay.
这样就是
抖音。
抖音
不是应用市场。
应用市场哪一个那个？
就像小米的呀、OPPO 的呀，你觉得？
那就看整齐的出货吧。我理解就是华为有个华为商城。
华为 Store。
然后小米。OV 就是 OPPO 跟
vivo。
可能都没落了，像豆荚他们可能都不做了，
豌豆荚
是不是？
前三 top 3啊。
对，
华为，then 小米，vivo。
Very good.
应用商店就自带的。
vivo App Store。
And you?
Xiaomi.
Xiaomi also. Okay. Got it. Do you actually know how many app stores do we have in China, by any chance?
I don't know.
Okay, it's about 300.
I don't know. Actually, I don't know.
What about you?
好像有很多啊。
对。
Yes, 很多，差不多。
豌豆荚、九幺猪手。
对，是。
Okay, yes. Well, it's about 300. Yeah.
就是你知道有多？
我不知道有多少。
不知道。
知道有安卓的一个和一个苹果的，我不知道有什么具体的。
安卓就像有那个 OPPO 的呀。
可能很多手机都有自带的吧？对，很多手机应该是大的主流的品牌都会有自带的自己的应用商店嘛？对，那可能就是10几20几个吧，随便猜猜。
差不多是300。
OK。
Yeah, more or less. So it's actually 300.
不知道，sorry。
差不多 like more or less. What do you think?
对，
我想应该有200左右吧。对
，It's very close.
Yeah, it's super close because it's 300 actually.
Okay.
Yeah.
Must be millions. Must be millions.
Millions.
有那么多吗？
没有。
应该没有吧。
你猜一下大概多少
10几家应该有吧，10几家。
？10几家 ？Not actually.
No, like which number do you think it's like how many, like 20 or 100 or 1,000 or
Million thousand.
a million thousand? What?
大概多少？
几亿吧。
几亿？
你真牛逼。
Billions.
你觉得有多少个？
也最多几百个吧。
几百个 ，Yeah, very close.
Yeah, exactly. We have 300.
300
Over 300多。
反正我就知道什么，
小米啊、OPPO 啊、vivo 啊，对吧？
说什么安卓之家那些，
安卓之家哦。
以前好像有啊。
是。
So as we saw, many people use the pre-installed app stores that comes with the phone, and some people they just add another app store which is mostly Tencent, and they use both. So which app store do you use the most? Tell us below in the comments, and if you like this video, subscribe to the channel and see you in the next one. Ciao, ciao.